Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out the Best Car Vacuum Cleaner, a small but powerful tool perfect for keeping your car and home clean. Stay tuned for all the details. Let's get started. Product features: strong suction power. At the heart of the Shook is a high-power motor that delivers strong suction. It easily lifts dirt, pet hair, food crumbs, and dust, even from tricky corners and textured car mats. Perfect for cleaning in tight spaces, like between seats or under furniture. Long battery life. Say goodbye to constant recharging. Thanks to a powerful 6,000 mAh battery, you get extended usage time, ideal for deep cleaning your car interior or doing multiple tasks around the house in one go. Flexible charging options. This is where the Shook really shines. It comes with multiple charging methods, including USB Type-C, which means faster charging and more convenience. Charge it at home, in your car, or even with a power bank when you're traveling. Dual-purpose design. Why buy two devices when one can do it all? The Shook is perfect for both car and home cleaning, making it a smart and budget-friendly choice. Clean your couch, keyboard, or your car dashboard, all with the same device. Portable and easy to use. Despite its powerful performance, the Shook is lightweight and compact. Its ergonomic handle makes it super easy to grip, and the design ensures that you can clean longer without getting tired. Pros: excellent suction. Picks up everything from fine dust to larger particles. Extended battery life. Clean without frequent interruptions. Multiple charging options. Charge it anywhere, anytime. Versatile. Use it in your car or at home. User-friendly design. Lightweight and easy to store. Cons: small dustbin capacity. Needs to be emptied often during big cleanups. Not ideal for heavy-duty industrial messes. Great for everyday use, but not built for construction-level dirt. Limited attachments. Would be even better with a few more nozzle options. Final thoughts. So, is the Shook car vacuum cleaner worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a powerful, portable vacuum that's easy to use and perfect for everyday cleaning, this one's a great choice. It's ideal for busy people, pet owners, or anyone who wants to keep their car and home looking fresh with minimal effort. And the best part? It doesn't take up space or cost a fortune. Check out the price from the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Best Product for more honest and useful reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.